coming home, Dad?
Those kids, they're waiting for their father to come back home. That's their reality.
Couldn't you have told her you were going to save the world?
No. When you become a parent, you want to make sure your children feel safe. That rules out telling a 10-year-old that the world's ended.
I think I found a way home.
They chose me.
This last job, that's how I get there.
How long will I be gone?
Hard to know.
Promise me you will come back.
What if I can't?
Stay. It says stay, Dad.
You should be at home!
There won't be any home if we allow a slaughter across the channel.
Do you want to take a leap of faith? Or become an old man? Filled with regret? Waiting to die alone?
Fear dying here on the city grounds.
Get out there and save them.
You're a man who needs to control his fate. Give yourself to the storm. It's a leap of faith you've never yet made.
My dad is coming home.
You're pining for a daddy you didn't even know. Like some sniveling bastard.
You're not listening! It said stay!
This might be a real good time for you to come back.
I need to see their faces one last time.
Do you see your children? They're right there with you. It's right there. Being home doesn't help us get there, Colonel.
This kid is coming back.
Waiting for a train that'll take you far away.
What if we ran? Took your fastest ship and brightest crew and headed for the horizon.
You know where you hope this train will take you?
Held hands on deck as we rode west at dusk, chasing the escaping sun.
You can't know for sure. It doesn't matter. Now tell me why.
It's a fugitive again!
Impossible.
Oh, it's necessary.
Help me go home.
Don't you recognize your own home?